नमस्कार साथियों। आज हम आप सभी को थिंक एंड आंसर के बारे में बताएंगे। आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस। पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाई और ओएस्टर्स kept in pails? What is the irony in the camel's complaints here? Find out. इसका आंसर होगा oysters need to stay moist in water, hence they are kept in pails. The irony in the camel's complaint is that while it complains about physical attributes, it is those same attributes that allow it to survive and thrive in the harsh harsh conditions of the desert. It is in essence complaining about its strength and adaptat- adaptations, thereby highlighting the importance of appreciating and understanding the unique characteristics of different species in their respective habitats. Second question है, how is this poem an example of the adage grass is greener on the other side of the fence? Give reasons for your answer. इसका आंसर होगा this poem can be seen an example of the adage grass is greener on the other side of the fence. This refers to the human tendency to believe that other people's situations or circumstances are better than our own. In the poem, the camel is complaining about its challenges and difficulties. It imagines the lives of other animals to be better and easier, perhaps even more comfortable than his own. However, the reality is that all animals face their own challenges and difficulties. The canary is vulnerable to predators. The parrot may end up in a cage. The poodle may be subject to uncomfortable grooming, etc. The camel does not realize that the attribute he is complaining about the ones that allow him to survive and thrive in the harsh conditions of the desert. Third question है, although the camel is complaining, the poem is humorous. What creatures humor in this poem? Justify your answer. इसका आंसर होगा the humor in the poem comes from the use of exaggeration, exaggeration, exaggeration and irony. This poem is written in the first person from the perspective of a camel who is complaining about the difficulties in its life. The irony lies in the fact that its complaints are all about the very things that is it's known for, the things that make it is the sheep of the desert. अगला क्वेश्चन है इन फैक्ट that the camel can survive in rough and difficult circumstances is actually a blessing. Do you agree with this statement? Give reasons for your answer. इसका आंसर होगा आंसर में वेरी एक्सेप्ट ऑल रिलेवेंट आंसर्स। इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर के लिए इन तीनों को हम लिख सकते हैं, इसलिए इसका चौथे का आंसर होगा पहला, दूसरा और तीसरा, सभी को मिलाकर लिखेंगे। इस तरीके से चौथे का आंसर होगा। थैंक यू।